The DVT MCP Server provides AI agents with a set of tools that deliver accurate, compiler-backed information from your design and verification project. To start the server, run the DVT MCP start command and provide the project directory and languages. The process immediately goes to background and starts building the project. The build configuration arguments are read from the .dvt default build file. You can also provide the build arguments on the command line. Let's start another server in this other mixed language project. You can check the server status using DVT MCP list. Run DVT MCP help to see all available script arguments. Connecting to the server is agent-specific. You typically specify a command, which the agent then uses to initiate a server connection. Subsequent communication to the server is done over the standard input-output of this command. For the DVT MCP server, the command is DVT MCP connect. Now let's configure the DVT MCP server in the Claude Code CLI agent by running this command. Let's break it down. Most agents, including Claude, run MCP servers in a slim environment, so we explicitly add DVT home to the env. Then we specify the transport mechanism, standard I/O, the server name, and finally the DVT MCP specific command. For every tool call, agents will add a root directory to the command. Typically, this is the working dir of the CLI agent and must match the project directory specified at server startup. So let's start Claude in our project directory and ask it to find the root cause of a test failure. Notice how it calls tools provided by the DVT MCP server to accomplish its task. If we check the server status now, notice that it shows up as being in use by Claude. To stop it, we first disconnect the agent and then run DVT MCP stop.